Hello everyone and welcome to the review of pension-am-schneiderturm 3 stars hotel. We hope you enjoyed the video and consider subscribing to our channel for more hotel reviews in the future. You can also book your visit through booking.com. You can easily find the link in the description box. The hotel is in Sighisoara, Romania within US travel directory, one of our top picks in Sighisoara. Dating back to 1797, the UNESCO classified historical building pension-am-schneiderturm is located in the Medieval Citadel of Sighisoara. Through construction and architectural style, it forms an integral part both of the Tailors Tower and of the Citadel Wall. Traditionally restored, the guest house provides comfortable accommodation, furnished with authentic pieces of furniture in massive wood and boasting their own fully equipped private bathrooms. The hotel offers modern, well-kept bicycles free of charge to its guests, making it possible to explore the surroundings of two wheels. The complimentary breakfast consists of local products purchased from the farmers living in the villages close to the place. Free public parking is available within a 1-minute walk. Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video with your friends.